Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan, back again to give you a great video. Going to show you some great stuff today. Hope you guys are all doing great. Here's a great video about Android. Do you want to run Android apps on your PC without ads? Do you want to run them really good, really quick? Do you have a laptop or a desktop PC that you wouldn't mind loading up some of those great Android apps to be able to do any one of a number of things that you might want to do that you do on your phone, or maybe your tablet. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's go ahead and get right over to Windows. And in here, what we have is we have the EmuEmu player, not MEMU, but EmuEmu. Now, this is an absolutely terrific Android app emulator, and I'm going to show you some of the great features that it's got in order for you to be able to run all the Android apps that you want to run. You have the Google Play Store, you have a complete load of Android, and you can have multiple ones, which is absolutely terrific. So let's go ahead and go to the EmuEmu multiplay, and you can see in here you can create as many different Android loads as you pretty much want. So, that being said, we'll create a brand new one so you'll see what it looks like fresh. And one of the great things about this emulator is it runs Android 12. So it's a fairly recent version of Android. You're not running a really old version like Android 9 or something. So we're creating a brand new Android 12. We're going to start this thing up. EmuEmu player. Absolutely terrific. You can go ahead and open this up. There we go. Now, in here, what you can do is you can actually use the Google Play Store. You can put your Google credentials in, your username, password, and you can actually download and install any Google apps from the Google Play Store you would like to install. So this is a complete load of Android. You can also go to websites, download APKs, and drag and drop them directly in here and install an APK so that you can just open it directly that way as well. That means that you have access to all of the APKs out there on the open market that's on the internet. So you have a wide variety. It's wide open to you. So you're not hindered in any way, shape, or form. You'll notice how no ads opened up here. You can customize this if you want. You can even load different launchers if you want to make this look different. Absolutely terrific stuff that you can do with this emulator. How do you get it? Well, it's called EmuEmu Player, and really simply, I mean, you can just go to a search engine, and we're going to go ahead and open up Google search, and we're going to type EmuEmu Player. And there you go. There's the website. Download EmuEmu Player for Windows. You can download it for Mac as well. And you can go ahead and just install it. Once you've installed it, you're going to have these icons available to you. You're going to have the EmuEmu Player and multiplayer, and that way you can then open it up and start installing your Android APKs and apps and do whatever you would like. This particular Android emulator has got some buttons up here. There's a back button, and there is a option here for different things for your volume. And then you can go to the little down arrow here and get more options as well. So if you want to rotate the screen manually, if you want to be in full screen mode, mini mode, if you want to go down here for all these different game assistant things. So if you want to run some Android games, you're going to be able to run those really well. Screenshots. This does use the Vulkan graphics, which gives you terrific capabilities for playing any kind of Android video games that you would like to play on here. And tons of other options on here too. APK installer, a file transfer option. You can actually do an app cloner. So if you want to clone an app and have two copies of an app, you can. In here, that's built into this. Just a ton of great features. I can't really tell you, anything bad about this emulator. So far, I have had a great time using it. I haven't really had much of any compatibility issues or problems running anything with it. So you guys have fun. Go go ahead and go to the MUMU website, download and install MUMU Player, start installing all of your favorite APKs and on Windows, and then you've got yourself a complete machine that runs Windows and runs Android, and you got yourself just a great functioning machine with lots of options. I don't know what else to tell you about that. If you guys have any questions about this emulator, you want me to do some more detailed stuff on it, go ahead and leave me a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.